She's just walking off. She can't wait. And we're out in the open again. We're gonna go to the tigers. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Shoe gang. How do you feel about being here?
I feel great. What about you?
I'm really excited. I want to go find some lions there.
I'm trying to find them.
We have yet to find them.
I'm really bad at reading maps.
Where are we right now? Over there. Where do we need to get out?
Let's go here.
Yeah, but where do we need to get out? So we entered from here.
You go the same way that we came.
We'll figure it out.
Okay, let's try and find them because obviously.
We came from here.
You want to
didn't
see
we?
the lemurs first?
Okay. Well, I'm excited about it.
I don't think you're
not.
excited.
I want to see the lions.
I know we're trying to get them away, but
And we're going back out of Africa, not into this time.
I'm always in Africa.
PG-13. Turtle. And we look lame as hell. That looks so ugly. What? This lighting is great.
There's a giant turtle in there.
Yeah, no one cares.
Okay.
What are they? Who left there? Oh, someone did leave there.
They're one a catfish, I think.
How are you feeling?
How is this so bad in low light?
And then there's just nothing. Lovely. And nothing again. Oh, are they? Oh, no.
Sorry. Really sorry.
Oh, this is nice and green. Ooh. This is so cute.
They're really cute.
It's so tiny. Oh. This is like, you know that thing from Lion King? It's like those paintings on the wall.
Oh yeah,
That's what it looks like. Realize this is bacon. Fuck.
Well, what did you expect?
I need to sneeze.
Oh, that was transgender. So get out my snap. No, you're ruining my snap. She's so cute, that one. She's literally running. She's determined. She does not give a shit that it's raining. She wants to see these lines. She's talking about it all day. Look, she's smiling. She's happy. Oh yeah?
I don't think these are lions.
They are. Oh, it's the monkey.
It's chewing.
It smells, man.
Can you explain to me why today has been a long day?
Because we went to...
Keeping it PG-13, please.
Basically, I got woken up early by the light in the bedroom.
Yeah.
So I woke up about 6, 7 and you were still snoring, even though you fell asleep at 10:30.
Ooh, get it. I can't, it's got cheese
Oh,
on
you
it.
suck, man. You can't even do food porn.